Bob C here. A short while ago, I did a video and mentioned how I'd go about boring holes in the cabinet doors for the hidden hinges. And I expressed that I didn't exactly care for the Kreg jig, but I did like their bit because it cut very well. And so after trying their jig, I went on Amazon and I found this one. It's a no-name, but it's quite sturdy. And the nice thing about it is that it takes the Kreg bit very well. It's like a perfect fit. So I just wanted to demonstrate it. And I got my line here. And okay. One clamp. Second clamp. Alright, here we go. Now, one thing about it I don't exactly care for is that the chips kind of get trapped in there in the jig. But it is sturdy. I can even let go of the drill in case I have to pick up the phone or whatever. That's kind of handy. So I just want to get the top of the bit to go a little bit below the style of the door. And just a little more. That looks pretty good. Okay. Get this out of the way. And then, just to check my depth, though it looks pretty good by eye, I grabbed this also, this Amana bit with the stop on it, just to make sure I got the depth that I need. Alright, let me check it. And yeah, we're good there. And this is how it would go. Okay, that's it. Catch you on the next one. Bye.